If you're a patient that is suffering from ill-fitting dentures, you can't chew with them, they hurt your gums, they cause sores in your mouth, it becomes really frustrating for you. There's a couple of solutions that may suit you very well. The more simple one is an implant-supported denture. You can get implants. The denture is made of acrylic like the one you're used to, but it snaps on the implant so it doesn't move, doesn't pressure your gum, and will let you chew very much more comfortable than what you're doing now. You can always upgrade these later to the best solution, that is your zirconia screw-in teeth. These teeth are made of a material that is unbreakable. They will give you the chewing power that you used to have with your natural teeth at some point in your life, and you will be able to chew, get your confidence back, and have a normal life again.